Siron KYC allows regular checks of existing customers on a broad databasis. Apart from the bank's customer data, the supplied relations between the customers, for example to beneficial owners, are also used in the check. The check process receives the data through standardized interfaces. Once the system is implemented, the entire customer base is checked. Delta checks may be used after this. As in customer acceptance, data is matched with imported sanction and PEP lists to which custom lists, FATCA check scenarios and custom check rules can be added. The workflow ensures that triggered alerts are collected and processed by the embargo officer in case management. Furthermore, emails may provide case alerts to the case manager. Subsequent checks will be necessary if the customer base changes or sanction or PEP lists are updated. This ensures risk-based customer monitoring according to due diligence. Let's take a low-risk person. By taking office, this person becomes politically exposed and must be treated as high-risk customer. Changing the risk classification in Siron KYC is easy. The data provider's updated PEP list is automatically loaded to Siron KYC. The next batch check identifies the person as high-risk customer. Statutory regulations also require regular resubmission of checked persons. The Siron KYC resubmission period depends on the risk class of the customer. By the way, the checks following upon the initial check use an optimized matching procedure. FATCA requires a periodical customer base check to identify changes of customer data. With the optional FATCA module in Siron KYC, you are on the safe side. If a customer's FATCA-relevant data changes, reclassification may become necessary. Example: the core banking system reports that the customer's new residence is now in the USA. The FATCA check generates a change of circumstances that must be processed by the case manager. For our example, this means that the person's status has to be changed. If you use the anti-money laundering system Siron AML, changes of the customer profile, for example, standing orders to the US, are identified by the continuous Siron check process. Without Siron KYC, many banks experience a gap between the customer acceptance and the research system. Hence, continuous monitoring of the information provided at customer acceptance is very difficult. Siron KYC not only provides an overview of the expected customer behavior. Due to the integration with downstream research systems such as Siron AML, Siron FD and Siron MM, the actual customer behavior can be monitored. Deviations and contradictions between the customer's initially provided information and their actual activities may immediately be recognized and reported to the compliance officer as alerts. If the customer behavior shows a significant deviation, the risk classification is to be revised and adequate measures are to be taken. Additionally, PEP information from the customer base check can be used for adequate customer monitoring. Learn more about Siron KYC from other videos.